The Ford Ranger wood spacers are accessories for performance upgrades. Whether you are planning to use them for daily driving or off-roading, it is safe to use high-quality track wood spacers. By enlarging the track width, this Ford wood spacer enables the tires to better grip the road surface. You'll feel more stable while cornering. This also allows you to install bigger tires and larger brakes with no rubbing issue. Provo-sized Ford Ranger wood spacers are the upgrade parts that most people will use to enhance the ride stance, performance, and off-road capabilities. BONOSS wood spacers are crafted from 7075 T6 and 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles. Unlike generic wheel spacers that may introduce vibrations, BONOSS multi-stage hub-centric wheel spacers feature a precisely machined center board that perfectly matches the hub assembly. BONOSS introduces a global patent active cooling design, featuring unique grooves on the back of the spacer. These grooves allow external cold airflow continuously inside the spacer when rotating, reducing heat buildup and enhancing brake cooling performance. Choosing the right wood spacer is essential for both aesthetics and performance. By following these guidelines and opting for BONOSS multi-stage hub-centric spacers, you ensure a safe, vibration-free, and durable upgrade. If you have any questions or need help selecting the perfect wood spacer size, leave a comment below.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get these BONOSS wood spacers, please see the link below. See you in the next video. Bye bye!